Friends, open Pixar tab. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background today we are going to use. The first step, go to tools, tap on adjust, increase the brightness to around 10, okay, and increase the saturation a little bit and highlights also a little bit. Now tap on tick. Next step, you have to go to draw, tap on draw, arrange it like this. Now tap on add objects, select the photo and select the screenshot of your Instagram profile. So this is a screenshot. Now crop on the top like this. Now tap on tick. Now go to layers, decrease the opacity. Now arrange this perfectly. This portion like I am doing in the video, have to arrange like I am doing in the video. You have to arrange it perfectly. It is perfect. Now increase the opacity. Now tap on eraser, tap on shape, select the square, tap on fill, tap on OK, and you have to crop on the bottom portion like this. You have to crop on the bottom. Perfect. Tap on shapes, select this one and tap on stroke, tap on OK, and we have to crop the borders. On the top you can see how to crop like this. It's perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. The first step complete. Second step, go to add photo and select the PNGs one by one. This is the PNG. Simply stretch it and arrange it like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, go to add photo and select the model image. Go to add photo. Friends, this is the model image today I am going to use, but I already erased the background. Okay, we have to erase the background and keep. Now arrange your model perfectly in this portion here. Okay, you have to arrange your model in this portion here. It's perfect. Now tap on shadow, tap on position, keep it 110 and keep it 100. Tap on adjust, make it 100 and decrease it around 20. Perfect. Tap on model, tap on layers, tap on duplicate, and now go to FX and tap on this colors. Now tap on this black and white, decrease this amount to 0. Now tap on tick. Now this is the shadow. Now go to flip rotate and tap on this fourth one and arrange it on this bottom portion here. Okay, like this. You have to arrange it in the bottom portion like this to give the realistic look. Now tap on opacity and keep it around 50. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the further PNGs. This is the next PNG. Simply stretch it like this. Now go to blend and make it screen and go to opacity, decrease the opacity to around 85. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the smoke PNG. Friends, this is smoke PNG. Now go to blend, make it screen and arrange on the bottom portion here. Okay, arrange on the bottom here, bring it little down. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, go to add photo and select the light PNG. And this is a light PNG. Simply stretch it like this. Now go to blend and we have to make it overlay. You have to make it overlay and stretch it like this. Now tap on eraser tap on invert. Now tap on brush, keep the size to around 40 and opacity to around 30 and hardness to around 15. Now draw like this. Okay, now tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to go to tools, tap on adjust, increase the clarity little bit, saturation little bit, highlights little bit, shadow also little bit. Now tap on tick. The next step, you have to go to add photo and select the hair PNG. If you want, you can use this hair PNG, or else you can simply leave. Arrange it like this. Perfect. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase. Simply, if you don't want, you can simply erase it. That's it. Now tap on tick. You can decrease little opacity. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special Instagram creative photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the before background, this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.